Hello students, I am now uploading Unit 4 Geometry Chapter 18 Circles for Class 6 from VIVA Education Publication Textbook for Standard 6 and for the curriculum of ICSE, which is CISCE curriculum. So please refer to that book, and also other boards like SSC and CBSE syllabus has the same topic, so you can get the benefit of that, my explanation and solution of the chapter 18 circle. From other books it can be some other chapter, so please like, subscribe and share with your friends who are in Standard 6 Standard 6 class, as well as you can share my videos with family, friends whose children are there in Standard 6. So let's start. Now key concepts in chapter circles is center, radius and diameter of circle, arc, sector, chord and segment of the circles, semicircle, circumference of the circle, and interior and exterior of the circle. So let's start with the explanation of what is circle. A circle is a simple closed curve formed by all the points in the plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane. This fixed point lies inside the circle. The area enclosed by a circle is known as the circular region. In the adjoining figure, a circle is shown. The point O is the fixed point from which all the points on the circle are at a fixed distance. The shaded region is the circular region. You can see in the diagram what is given. Parts of a circle. Center. The fixed point inside the circle from which all the points on the circle are at a fixed distance is known as the center of the circle. See in the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle. Radius. The distance between the center and any point on the circle is known as the radius of the circle. It is a fixed distance which is used to define a circle. See adjoining figure, line segment OA is the radius of the circle. Diameter. The line segment passing through the center of the circle and whose endpoints are on the circle is known as the diameter of the circle. Diameter is twice the length of the radius. Diameter equal to 2 multiplied by radius. So here AB is the diameter of the circle with center O. Diameter of the circle divides the circle into two equal parts, and each part is known as a semicircle. So you can see in the diagram that the diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. Each is known as semicircle. Then the chord. The line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is known as the chord of the circle. Now you can see the diameter also is the chord of the circle, which is the longest chord of the circle. Segment. A segment of a circle is a region bounded by a chord and its corresponding arc. So you can see there are two segments. minor segment and the major segment. Major segment, the larger of the two segments created by a chord, it includes the circle's center. And minor segment, the smaller of the two segments created by a chord. So you can see here in the picture, adjoining figure, the minor and the major segment, because chord CD divides the circle into two parts. One gives you the minor segment and the other is the major segment. Arc. An arc is a portion of the circumference of a circle, like a smooth curve connecting two end points. So here there are two types of arcs. Minor, the shorter of the two arcs connecting two points with a measure less than 180 degree, and the longer of the two arcs connecting two points with a measure greater than 180 degree. So here there are two arcs, minor and the major. Now AB is the minor and another part of AB, that is A, C and B. ABC is the major arc. Sector. The arc between them resembling a slice of pizza. Its size is determined by the center angle formed by the two radii. There are two types of sectors, a minor sector less than 180 degree and major sector greater than 180 degree. So you can see the sector which is actually bounded by the two radii of the circle. Secant. A straight line which intersects the circle in two distinct points is known as a secant. See in the adjoining figure, line AB is the secant. And AB is actually called line L is the secant. I'm sorry, it is line L is a secant and line segment AB is a chord. Tangent. For a circle, the tangent is a straight line that intersects the circle at exactly one point and is perpendicular to the radius drawn to that point. So here you can see that P is the point which intersects the tangent to the circle. Circumference. The circumference of a circle is the length of its boundary. In the adjoining figure, see the circumference mark. Interior and exterior of a circle. The set of points inside the circle are known as its interior, and the set of points outside the circle is known as exterior of a circle. See in the adjoining figure, points O and P are in the interior and points A and T are in the exterior of the circle, whereas M and S are on the circle. Now we will start the solution of exercise 18.1 of chapter 18 circles, and 18.2 I will be giving you with the construction chapter. So first question, in the adjoining figure name the following. Center is O, tangent line RS, diameter line segment AB, three radii OA, OB and OP. Point of contact is P. The tangent has a point of contact which is P. Second question, the length of the longest chord of a circle with radius 6 cm its diameter, that is 2 into 6, that is 12 centimeter. So the longest chord is the diameter also, and therefore its length is double the radius. So 2 into 6 is 12 centimeter. Using the adjoining figure, filling the blanks. If OA is equal to 3 centimeter, then OB, since OA and OB both are the radii of circle, its length is also 3 centimeter. B question. The shaded region AOB is a minor sector AOB, which is bounded by the two radii OA and OB. So it is a minor sector because the angle is less than 180 degree. Third question. Continue. C. The shaded region bounded by chord CD is a minor segment. D question. The points lying in the interior of the given circle are O and Q. E question. The points R and S lie in the exterior of the circle. Fourth question. In a circle with radius r centimeter, the length of the diameter is 2r, because twice the radius of the circle is the diameter. So since the length of radius is r centimeter, 2 multiplied by r, that is 2r centimeter. The length of the largest possible chord, which is also diameter, so its length is also 2r centimeter. Fifth question. If the center of circle is at point A and radius of circle is 7.5 centimeter, then point P will lie in the exterior of the circle if AP is 7.6, because A is the center of the circle and AP is the radius, which is 7.5. But because P point is such that AP is 7.6, which is more than the radius of the circle, so it is in the exterior of the circle. Whereas B question, the interior of the circle, because AP is 5 centimeter, so P is in the interior of the circle, and therefore AP will be, because AP is 5 centimeter, P will be in the interior of a circle. Sixth question. The length of the diameter of a circle is 9 centimeter. See, diameter is given. So to find the radius, we have to divide the diameter by 2. So radius of a circle is diameter divided by 2, which is 9.9 divided by 2, which is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Seventh question. The point A lies on the circumference of a circle with its radius 10 centimeter. See, it is in the circumference. So it is on the circle, that is. If O is the center of a circle, then the length OA will be 10 centimeter because that is the radius. So radius is the segment joining the center to any point on the circle. So therefore its radius being 10 centimeter, the distance OA is also 10 centimeter. So this finishes exercise 18.1. There are only 7 questions. Note, solution of exercise 18.2 will be given along with chapter 16 construction, as the construction of circle is included in that exercise. Mental maths and practice time exercise is in the next slide. Please solve to get practice. So like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So these are the mental maths questions and practice time question from VIVA Education textbook, publication textbook for class 6 for ICSE. You can also, the other boards can also practice these questions so that you will be able to understand circle chapter very well. So like, subscribe and share with your friends and family whose children are in class 6 for watch my video on YouTube channel. My channel is Geetanjali Joshi /25. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you and God bless you, children.